Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to extract audio from video on iPhone. Let's get started. So today, let's use the CapCut application. First, open your CapCut app on your iPhone, then tap the new project and select the video that you want to extract the audio from. And once the video is added to your timeline, tap Add Audio option at the bottom. Then, select Extracted and choose the same video again or another video, and CapCut will automatically extract the audio from that video and add it to your project timeline. You can now save or export it as audio by muting the video layer or using it for editing. And that's it. You've successfully extracted audio from the video using CapCut on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!